this Claude Code plugin is a game changer, and while I'm not necessarily so objective because I built it for myself and now I'm open sourcing this plugin, I truly believe that it is very valuable. As I said, I built it for myself based on my pain points, and I'm sure that if you're using Claude Code, you've encountered the same issues. Now, the whole idea came to me after starting to use Planotator. Planotator is a Claude Code plugin that basically what it allows you to do after you exit the planning mode in Claude Code. You know, usually it's in the terminal. It's very hard to point out what you would like to adjust in the plan. So this plugin, what it does, it creates this window in your browser with the whole plan designed better, and you can add annotations, add images, etc., etc. So for example, I can decide that I want to change something here, so I can either add an annotation over here or add an image as an example, or remove this completely. Basically, after you adjust the plan, you send it back to Claude, and Claude analyzes your adjustments, and this saves a lot of time and effort when you're going back and forth with the plan, because you don't have to do the planning phase 100% in the terminal. So this solves a huge pain when it comes to planning. It makes the whole planning process way easier and more intuitive. And I thought about what are some more challenges when it comes to building with Claude Code. So we have the planning phase, we have the execution phase, and we have the validation phase. For the validation phase, it's very important that we either use the Claude Code Chrome extension or Playwright MCPs. Where do these shine? They can take a look at your front end using a screenshot, and they can analyze what they've built and see whether or not anything is missing in the front end. They can obviously also analyze the dev tools to see the console logs, etc. Now, this is amazing, but there is still a missing layer when it comes to instructing Claude Code regarding what you would like to achieve. So this is why I built ShowMe. And what is ShowMe? ShowMe basically, let me show you what is ShowMe. So it's a custom command. Basically, you can call it a plugin or a skill or a custom command. Whenever I click ShowMe, it's going to open a new browser for me. And over here, what I can do, I can either very fast create a wireframe. So let's say this is where I would like the headline to be. Headline saying Claude Code is amazing. So, and I can add annotations. The font here should be 48 pixels. I can add as many annotations that I would like, and they are all going to be here. Alternatively, what we can do, we can take a screenshot, copy it, paste it over here. Sorry, the pasting isn't working, but what we can do, we can obviously save this. So let's assume that we save this. The pasting used to work before, but never mind. So we can paste it over here, and then we can upload an image. Let's assume that I'm just taking a random image from my library. It's a thumbnail. I can upload it over here. I can annotate, is this the nose? How much is 2 by 2? So this section is general feedback and guidance, and over here we have annotations that are specific per page, and obviously we can adjust the size, change the colors, etc. Redo, undo, etc. And now what we do, we send it to Claude. Claude is going to analyze the images, read all the annotations, as you can see here, and then it's going to return all the data. The only thing that is missing is pasting via the clipboard. Let's see what it did. that was very fast. I've reviewed all 3 pages. Here's what I found. Page 1, wireframe walkup, shows an arrow pointing to the circle with text headline saying CC is amazing. Annotation number 1, it tells you exactly the coordinates. The font here should be 48 pixels. Noted when implementing this headline, you want the font size to be 48 pixels. Page 2, blank page. This page appears to be blank. No feedback provided. Page 3, image with text saying better than no code. Shows a person photo, it's my thumbnail, on the right side with a bold white text on black background. Annotation is saying, is this the nose? Yes, the pin is placed near the person's nose area in the photo, and global nose answer 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now, based on all this data, we can take this and build an HTML. Can you plan a vanilla JavaScript app with HTML that has the photo of the person and covers all the instructions that I just gave you? Let's enter planning mode. It will probably ask me a few questions, and then it will open the Planotator. So as you can see, it's kind of funny because initially we had the UX UI, and then we moved to CLI, and now I'm starting to realize that I knew this, but it seems like the CLI is still a bit limited, and sometimes it's better to have a UX, and this is why the Planotator and ShowMe, which I just built, seems so valuable. So as you can see, it's going to write the plan, and in a moment it will open the Planotator, which I already showed you, so not crucial to wait for it. That's it, guys. I think this could be very valuable. This is open source, so if you want, just check it out over here. ShowMe by Yaron Been. Here's the plan being opened by Planotator. Feel free to come here, fork, add issues, whatever. I'm not sure if I will necessarily maintain this as if it's like my life depends on it, but I'm probably going to maintain it to some somewhat degree because I just feel it is valuable. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Obviously, leave a comment below if you encountered any interesting plugins in similar style that can make the whole workflow of building with Claude Code better. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And until next time, keep on automating.